Maybe you received a pre-approved offer for a personal loan from Rocket Mortgage. Or maybe you have a Rocket Mortgage and wonder whether they would be a good place to get a personal loan. I'm going to answer all your questions about Rocket loans. Feel free to use the chapters in the timeline to skip to the questions that matter most to you. What does a personal loan with Rocket Mortgage look like? Rocket Mortgage offers personal loans that are unsecured, which means you borrow money without having to give them something valuable like your car or your house as collateral. They offer loans between $2,000 and $45,000 with a term of 2 to 5 years. Their APR ranges from a minimum of 9.116% to a maximum of 29.99%. Only the best candidates will earn the lowest rate, and only if they sign up for autopay. Rocket Loans has an origination fee that can be as high as 9%. How does the Rocket Loan origination fee work? Rocket Loan's origination fee comes out of the proceeds of the loan. So if you're borrowing $10,000 and the origination fee is 5%, the fee is $500. When you receive your money, you will receive $9,500, even though you will still be required to pay back the $10,000. The origination fee and the interest rate make up the APR. If you pay the loan off early, you save money on interest, but you do not receive a refund on the origination fee. What credit score is needed for a Rocket Loan? Rocket Loan boasts that they focus on high-quality prime borrowers. They don't even accept applicants with credit scores below 640. But I suspect that they don't approve many people with scores below 680. You might expect special treatment if you're a good customer of their mortgage division, but they don't actually talk to each other, so it probably won't help you. Is it easy to apply for a personal loan from Rocket Mortgage? In most cases, applying with Rocket Loans is fairly straightforward. To start the process, you will need to give them your full name, current address, income information, social security number, and date of birth. You will ultimately need to provide documentation like your driver's license and proof of income, and grant them access to your bank account data. Most people can complete this process in one sitting. For others, it might take a couple of days. What are the requirements for a Rocket Loan? In order to apply for a personal loan with Rocket Mortgage, you will need to be at least 18 years old and have an active bank account. You will also need to have a personal income of $24,000 or more annually. Rocket Loans only considers your income, so household income does not count. They will not include a co-borrower in their loans, like other lenders might. Rocket Loans also states that you must have a FICO score of at least 640 to apply. Is it easy to get a loan from Rocket Loans? Rocket says that you need a FICO score of at least 640 to apply, but I suspect you will struggle to be approved with a credit score below 680. They focus on high-quality prime borrowers after all. Of course, credit score is not enough. They will review your credit history. If you have any late or missed payments in the recent past, they may not approve you. One of the most important things that they will look for is your debt-to-income ratio. They don't say what ratio they are looking for, but if you already are carrying significant debt, especially for your income, they may not approve you. How fast do you get your money with Rocket Loans? Once you've been approved, you could get your money from Rocket Loans on the same day, but that will depend on the bank you use and whether you accepted the loan before 1 p.m. on Eastern Time. More likely, you'll get your money in 1 to 3 days. What fees does Rocket Loans charge? When you take out a Rocket Loan, you will be charged an origination fee of up to 9%. The actual fee will depend on your state, your borrowed amount, and your credit situation. But you do need to recognize that 9% is a high origination fee. I don't know of any other lenders that charge more than that. Rocket Loans will also charge you a $15 late payment fee, but they only charge you that late fee after a 10-day grace period. Any payment made after 2 p.m. Eastern will be credited to the next day. That is especially important to those of you who live on the West Coast. They also charge a $15 bounced check fee if an ACH payment fails or a physical check is returned. These are sometimes called a non-sufficient funds fee. Is Rocket Loans a legitimate company? Rocket Loans is owned and operated by the publicly traded company that owns Rocket Mortgage. a vast majority of their business is in mortgages. Their personal loan business is a little different. The actual lender of a Rocket Mortgage personal loan is Cross River Bank in New Jersey. But if you take one of their loans, you will work directly with Rocket Loans throughout the process. Is Rocket Loans good for debt consolidation? Rocket Loans may not be your best option for debt consolidation. They don't have the features that would make debt consolidation easy. For instance, they don't appear to have the ability to pay your other creditors directly. That means that they are unlikely to adjust your debt-to-income ratio based on the fact that your Rocket loan replaces other debts. For this reason, it might actually be more difficult to get approved for the amount that you need in order to consolidate your other debts. What are some alternatives to Rocket Loans? Rocket Loans may be a good solution for you, but you owe it to yourself to always shop around. Every lender has different algorithms for determining how much to lend you and at what rate. So we recommend that you apply to at least 3 or 4 lenders before you accept a loan. At the Yukon Project, we try to make shopping around easy. On our marketplace page, you can check your rate with up to 40 lenders all at the same time. And they use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. I'll put a link in the description below. If you have any other questions about Rocket Mortgage personal loans that we didn't address in this video, leave a comment below and we'll try to answer it. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.